What's at the end of the rainbow? Check out this Ice Cream Beauty Box to see. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is the March 2024 Ice Cream Beauty Box, and they are collaborating with an indie beauty brand to bring us an amazing eyeshadow palette, which I do have on. So their theme is Make Your Own Luck, and the palette is the End of the Rainbow palette, and this is in combination with Ladybug Glow and Ice Cream Beauty. Here are your colors, and those three in the center are multi-chromes. So this whitish looking one, that's what I have right on that inner corner there. And then next, this blue-green shimmer comes next, and then there's the purple shimmer. And then in the outer corner here is this dark green, and then up on the crease is this more kind of olivey brown green. And I have swatched everything for you to give you a look. So beautiful, beautiful palette, in love. The multi-chromes on here are amazing. This is a $30 value, so that's a really reasonable price too. Next, by Bo Babe Beauty, is this gold opal iridescent highlighter. Now I don't have this on. There is how she looks. And that dot right there is it. And it goes into this beautiful gold. So that's a great gold for the summertime in particular. And that's a $35 value. Next, we have something that I think I'm gonna love. This is a redness correcting primer by ZC Cosmetics. So it has a little bit of a green in there to cut back on the red, which when you have rosacea, that's an important thing. So here is how she looks, all right? So there it is, that little dot of green. And then you're just gonna work that in, and if you have any redness, it's gonna cover that up. And I did go in with the shadows over the primer to see if that gave it a more saturated look, but this from here over is the primer, from here on down isn't. And I don't think it did that much of a difference as far as the look that it gives the shadow. But that is a $22 value. Next, by Ofra Cosmetics, is the Unit Blushizer. So we have, that's not a highlighter. I mean, I don't know. Maybe that means blush and bronzer, because that's definitely what it is. These are a little bit dark. I will tell you that I did find it to be a little bit dark. Now, I did put it on this morning, so you can still see some of it, I think. But here is how they look on, and you're definitely going to want to obviously just buff those out. But the bronzer was a little bit dark for my skin tone, but it could definitely be used as a contour. All right, so you can see, or, you know, if my skin tone gets darker in the summertime, it would be good for that. Typically don't wear foundation in the summertime, but throw on like just a little bit of bronzer and blush, and that tends to do the job. That's a $29 value. And then last, by Pacifica, is their, wait, no, it's not by Pacifica. Why did I think it was by Pacifica? I don't know. This is by Stina Face. It's their Velvet Dream Stick. And this is in the shade Bliss. It's a $12 value. Very pretty. There's how it looks on my skin, and here's how it looks on. I did throw a little bit of this Hank and Henry gloss over it. I like the little iridescence in there just to give it more of a creamy look, because it is a very matte look. So as you can see there, it is very matte, but I do like the color. I do think it's a good color. I think it coordinates very well with the eyeshadow. All right, well, that is my Eyescream Beauty for the month of March with a review. I will tell you, I put it on very lightly this morning because this is a little bit more bold than I like to go to work with, but I did feel like it lasted throughout the day. I just touched it up to give it a little bit more of a saturated look. And I mean, honestly, I put it on at 5 o'clock this morning and I'm filming at 7 o'clock at night. So I think it lasted pretty well throughout the day, though. I'm pretty impressed with how it lasted. So here's a little bit of a close-up. And let me know your thoughts. Do you feel like this was a good palette? I think it was amazing. I think it was so fun. But there's some great neutral colors in there. I mean, when you look at it, right, there are this dark green here is a great neutral color. This is a great neutral color down here, this olive. The yellow you could even buff out a little bit. There's a purple. And these you can put on very lightly. You could put them on with a brush. I did kind of just go in and dab it in just so that you could kind of really see how it looks. Kind of wiped off my eyeliner a little bit, but that's all right. Still fun. Loving it. Great job. You guys over at Eyescream Beauty, you are killing it. So excited to see what is going to be in April and who you're going to collab with. All right. Well, please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. Leave me a little comment down below, maybe just an emoji, whatever you want to do, if you would. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.